Hi everybody, this is the 4-tier extra wide grow house that I bought. It arrived the other day, hoping I can put it all together pretty easily. The reason I bought it was to plant a few bulbs earlier than usual so I can get some colour into the garden. Um, yeah, so let's get it up and see how it looks. And there she is, finished article. Um, yeah, only took 10 minutes to put it up, not too bad. Plenty of room to grow my bulbs. I'm just thinking of ways I can secure it from the wind, because it can get a bit windy around here. Going to put a paving slab at the bottom tier. I've tied the cover down to the poles, but I've got nothing I can hook this onto, seeing as though it's a bare wall and it's a rented accommodation, so I'm not going to drill into this wall at all. If you could think of any ideas, write them in the comments below, please, and I'll keep you updated on how my plants are growing. Thank you.